I don't know who needs to hear this, but one of the most complicated relationships you will ever be a part of is the relationship with yourself. Because you can't walk away from you. You can't take a break from you. You have to learn to forgive every mistake and deal with every flaw. You have to find a way to love yourself first. You have to calm your own storm. So it's time to work on yourself. That might get a little lonely, but choose growth over company. Because getting your shit together, well, that's going to require a level of honesty with yourself you can't even imagine. There is nothing easy about realizing you've been the one holding yourself back this whole time.